So peeps, another day and another cheeky little component video for you. What we're going to go over is how we test these flow switches and what the flow switches are used for. Now, they're used to detect the liquid inside a tank, and they float on top of the surface, and they're used as a mechanical switch going up and down with the liquid. And these can be used to control pumps, valves, or any alarm system. So what we got here is our most commonly used float switch, and as you can see, you got a long lead on there with a weight that you can adjust the height, and then if you cut this in half, you got a little toggle switch at the bottom, and then you've got a ball bearing in the middle, and then a hard chemical resistant shell with some flotation in the middle. And as you can see, when that ball bearing goes up and down as the float switch goes up with the level, that's just obviously going to make the toggle switch. So doing this dead testing on the bench, we're going to be on the common, and then you're doing your normally open and your normally closed continuity testing. So as you can see, as the float switch goes up, that ball bearing will fall down, and that's making on this, and then as it goes down, the ball bearing falls forward. So here we got a different type of little kind of level switch going on. So what we got is us working on our parts washer and our detergent levels for the pumps. Now that what this is working on a reed switch running down the middle of this pipe, and reed switch is working on magnetic fields. So they've got a little magnet inside that float. So obviously as it comes out of the fluid goes down, that drops and that kills the circuit. As that goes up with the fluid, that's going to then make the reed switch. And with that, it's telling the pump that it's in a safe state and it can carry on pumping. So we don't end up with a load of water with no detergent, and then we're not cleaning our product properly. So obviously testing this on the machine, what you're going to be doing is you want to be looking at your voltages now. So what we're going to do is you get your little schematics. That is naughty. And what we're doing is we're looking for your supply out and then your switch coming back. And you want to be looking at 24 across the two. Or you could just go from 0 volts to your switch. So that'd be in your blue. So we've got another little one here. I do like to give you a bit of variety and just check over and see what. So what we've got here is a combi. Now you can't see in this tank that you would even have a side cover on. So what we want to do is make sure that we got coolant in this tank. So we've got a little toggle switch again here. And then what we've got is we've got a stainless steel ball inside this tank with a rod connected to it with a sprung well washer on top. So what you could do is you wanted to control that level and change how high it is in that tank. All you do is just move that spring washer up and down. And obviously that's going to go up and down with the level of the tank. Because all this is flotation. Now if you've been watching this, you're ledge approved.